Yan.
Hello po kay Ma'am Annalyn Romero Mercedes na instructor po namin ng microbiology. Ma'am, gusto lang po namin kayong pabaunan na kahit konting, konting papatulog loob sa mga kalamaran na ginagawa namin. Yung papagtagos sa quizzes. So, ma'am, may naimbitahan po kaming friend ngayon, si Bruno Mars. Para i po namin yung tip song niya na kasama mo na Who You Are. Here we go.
Bakit?
1, 2, 3. Sige, go. Her eyes, the stars look like they're not shining. Her head, what's up in without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. It's so, cause I think that she don't see what I see. Every time she asks me to, I look okay, I think. When I see your face, it's not